Hello, let's take a look at the user interface for the multi-window tool. Now the user interface is very large and I highly recommend that you collapse any sections that are not currently in use. Okay, let's start at the top. First we have the window opening. These values are guaranteed not to change or not to be changed by any of the other attributes in the window, and this ultimately decides how large the window is going to be. Moving down, we have the frame. Here we can set the size of the frame, and also we can extend it forward or backwards. The depth of the frame is automatically set from the deepest sash in the window. Moving on, we have the layout. Here you can control how many sashes or lights are in the window. We can control both the count in the vertical direction and horizontal. Here we call them rows and columns. And you'll notice within the 3D viewport that each row and column has a label on it. You should really look at this like playing a game of battleships or even using a spreadsheet, in that if you want to change the size of a particular light, you just need to locate its position by row and column. Here we're in automatic mode, which means that the lights are evenly sized throughout the window. In manual mode, you can adjust the number of or size of each light in the window. So for example, switch to manual mode, and we can easily change the size of column A, and you can see all of the rows in column A are resized appropriately. You can also choose to merge any particular column, which is really handy. And you can see all the lights are now merged together. And in the layout, you can also set the width and height of the mullions and transoms within the window. Moving down, you can control the height and depth of the fixed lights in the window. These are the non-moving parts. And the same again for the sashes. Next, we have a few common controls for both the fixed lights and sashes in the windows, such as glass depth. Next, you can choose to add a seal. There's various attributes that you can change. And finally, we have the section for actually determining which light type we have in any specific location within the window. Again, distinct battleships here. So for example, if we want to change column A, row 1, we just select that, change it to a sash, and now that's become a sash. Now you don't see much change here because we need to go up to the sash section and actually start tweaking the parameters for the frame size, for example. And now you can see that's changed. So you can change the light type for up to 5 rows and 5 columns within the window. And that's it. Okay, bye.